Hi Kenneth, we're back again for a little tutorial on reducing the file size of your sermons, your MP3s, and then uploading them to your sermon posts correctly so that your congregation and website users can download the file as an alternative to streaming the file, which is what they're going to be doing now. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here at this web page for an MP3 quality modifier. When I email you, I'll send you a link to this page, and then all you have to do is click download now. And then it brings you to this page, and if you just don't click anything, the download should start automatically. But if it doesn't download automatically after about 20 to 30 seconds, then click restart the download. But as you can see here, the download started. It's a really small download, which is great. And then you're just going to open this up, or you can just click here. And now what I have to do is I have to extract this folder, which is really easy to do. Just click extract up here, then this window will come up and you can click extract, then go to your downloads folder. Well, it's already opened it for me here, but if you can't find it, just go back to your downloads folder and click on the file, the open file, because the one we downloaded it's a zipped file, and we can't do much with a zip file, so we had to unzip it, and when it's unzipped it will look like this, MP3 quality modifier. So really easy to use. Just double click and this page will now open up. I'm just going to close everything else so you can see it better. And then what you do is you drag and drop a file from your desktop into from any folder on your computer, and you drag it into here. Or alternatively, you can click File and Add Files. So what I'm going to do quickly is go to your one of your most recently uploaded sermons, and I'm going to try and download the file from the internet. Actually, you should have access to these sermons already, so you can just grab them from your folder, but I'm gonna have to grab one. So let me just find out how to get download this audio. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh yeah, let me get it, and then I'll come back to this tutorial. Okay, so I've downloaded this MP3, and here is the MP3. It's 53 megabytes. So all I have to do to get it going into this quality modifier is just to drag it in here, and then all you have to do is change the settings. So I'm going to leave this one as average. This is a key setting to change. I successfully changed another file before to 30 kilobytes per second, and the quality of the audio was still really good. I also moved this one down to move this down to 24,000 hertz, but you can try lower ones if you like, and see what the impact is on the MP3. So I'll choose 24,000, and then you can just create a new destination folder. Where do you want the new modified file to go? So click the three dots here, and I'm going to go to my desktop and create a new folder, and I'm going to call that folder Modified MP3 sermon files. Press OK, and then, simple as you like, click on Process, and this window is going to come up now, and it's going to start the modification process. This can take a little bit of time, especially for the larger files, but it's still pretty quick. And as you can see there, you can actually do multiple files at the same time instead of doing them one by one. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to do one by itself. Okay, that's finished. So you can see here, the original file size was 51.99 megabytes, and it's now created a much smaller file at 12.33 megabytes. And we'll just click OK. And now we're going to go to the folder on our desktop, which we had created a name for, but it doesn't seem to have created that name. And here is the file. Okay. So let's have a look at what this actually looks like, what it sounds like, sorry, compared to the original file. I'm gonna retitle this newly modified MP3 to new, just so we can see the difference. And the old one is here. Okay, so I'm going to open these, play them both, and you can see the difference in the two, between the two. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my headphones out temporarily. Okay, so this is what the original sounds like. Okay, okay, I'm just having some sound issues, but when you are able to do this yourself, you can just test the two. Just you play one, listen to it, then you can play the other one and listen to that and see what the difference is. The reason why I'm saying that is if you're unhappy with the reduction in the audio quality, what you can always do is, drag the original MP3 back into this MP3 quality modifier and just change the settings to get a higher quality. So maybe you might want to bring the sample frequency to 32,000 Hertz, and maybe you want to up the rate to 50 kilobytes, and we can have a look at what that does. And then you can just test the difference between the two. But for my opinion, the settings for 30 and 24,000 are more than acceptable. Still decent enough quality to hear, and you're not going to kill your users' data usage. So I think it's a good solution. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the website and we're going to edit this post, this sermon post, which once you're logged in, you can just go to the post that you want to edit and replace the sermon audio. So the one we're going to do for today is Your Promotion is from the Lord Part 2. So let me click on Edit Sermon Item. And then I'm going to remove this audio here. To do that, I'm just going to click in here and then click the backspace button or the delete key. And then I'm going to scroll down slightly. I'll scroll down slowly for you to the Sermons Meta Box section. And I'm going to upload a file here in this section. And upload file, select the file, And the one that I want to select is the one that we just created, called Your Promotion is from the Lord Part 2 - New. So this is going to upload. Once it's done uploading, we're going to fill in the details here, as I can see you've been doing. So that file's uploaded now. Here it is. I'm just going to copy the details that you already put in this section here. Oh, it seems to have pulled everything in, which is great. Okay. Then I'm just going to press select and update. Then once it's updated, I'm just going to view sermon item, but I want to just open it in a new tab, just in case I need to readjust something. Okay, so you'll notice the difference now is that you've got this little download button. So if I click that, you'll see here the download is starting, and obviously it's going to download the much smaller file, which was I think about 12 megabytes instead of 52 megabytes, which is a fantastic reduction in file size. So I'm just going to wait for that to open, to download, and once I download it, I'm going to open it and test it. Okay, so now it's downloaded. It's going to open this up, and I've got headphones in, but I can assure you that it's working correctly. So that's all there is. Then the last step is this is a really important step, is to make sure you go back to your media library and delete the old file, the old sermon. I'm sure you have a backup of the high quality file on your computer somewhere, or on your external hard drive, or wherever you keep your backups. Because as I said before, when I make a backup, or when we make a backup of this website, having the large MP3 files is going to create a massive file to download. And it's also going to mean you're going to have to upgrade your hosting very shortly if you have all of these huge files on here. So to delete an old file, just click on the file and then go down here and click delete permanently. Click OK, and now it's gone. Alternatively, if you want to delete multiple files at the same time, you click that, let's cancel that, click bulk select, and then select which ones you want to delete. So yeah, that's all there is to this tutorial. If you have any questions, just give me a call, and I'll be happy to answer the questions for you. And I wish you the best of luck with going through the website and just optimizing all the files. Okay, take care. Bye.